one behind Altuve and Davis now in the stolen base department, and he'll go to third base, and he will reach safely. How about that? Eduardo Nunez going to the All-Star game, and he's tied for the league lead in stolen bases. 1-1 the count to Grossman, and on back-to-back pitches Nunez steals 2 bags.
And everything worked pretty well. It was a good catch and throw by the catcher Wilson. It's a nice tag.
Ooh.
Let's watch this again.
Challenge this.
He's on the base. I don't know if he's on the base or if he's. Wow.
Beltre blocked most of the bag with his foot. He's safe there, but does he stay in contact with the base? And now they're going to challenge this and see whether he was tagged out by Beltre or not.
Well, I'm just hoping that it's inconclusive to overturn. This will be a really, really good shot of it. There he
still hasn't touched the base. Now his elbow is on the bag.
Yeah, but Beltre keeps his glove there.
And I think Nunez is going to get tossed out at third base. Looked like Beltre took away at least half the third base bag with his foot in front of the bag.
Yeah, that's the one problem with sliding head first, is that fielders have their feet and legs and knees in front of the base with impunity. There are no spikes coming in there.
I'm of the belief that Nunez will be called out at third.
I'm of the hope that they will decide that since he was called safe, there's inconclusive evidence. Even though I think
Nunez hoping that he'll be at third base with nobody out. I'll show you one more look while we wait for confirmation. Safe.